Hello, my beautiful people from Otoshebo Mama. I greet the full house. Una do well, so now tell the help me tell the share, comment, like. I appreciate una well. I really love her. Mona continue, I beg. Mona the share. Just share her. Okay? Thank you for the love. Thank you for everything. My people, wonder shall never end. Hey! Now, wow. Una go say, wetin they make this woman they laugh. Now, wetin I see, they make me they laugh. Oh. Wonder shall never end. Maybe some of una don't see the video. Why some never see and say, why? Me, I carry and come. My people, now train. I think from Lagos to Abuja. Be like saying na Lagos to Abuja. I be na Ibadan. I don't know where they go again. Yet it alone. Una know. As they just they go for road, the train call stop. Una they call no say fuel not there for each side. Hi. Since I come this abroad, I never see that kind of thing for year. Before they carry a command, they don't check. No, see, they know they check anything. They know they watch anything. They don't even know whether the aging good. Just enter. Or just now only Nigeria can see say, when train, you get one video where it still go viral. Train stop. They begin they push on. Hi, Jesus. Even the country Nigeria don't tire. The thing tire the country. Not be saying a joke. People where they don't tire them. They don't know what they want to do again. Bad leader for everywhere. Huh? That one, that country. It's not supposed to be like that, oh. It's not supposed to be like that. Now the people where they, the bad leaders where we get, they get eye, they know they use until they see. Because like I said, they use until they see. Therefore, no, say other country where they come. This abroad where they come. They will say many things they work. Why they no use the same thing where they see for you? Make they can't take work for our country. They are all now just to carry the money, embezzle the money, carry and come country where they want come hide and put. Carry their children, come put for this side, make them for the go school. What they concern the country. Now they are all now the money where they for the country. They don't care about the country. They don't care about the citizens. Now he calls some. If they ask you, say, where are you from? You just say Nigeria. The way where they'll tell do face, you just know say you are on your own. The way where the Ghana way near us for there. He get respect pass person where own Nigeria passport. Not be saying allow. Ghana get respect pass. Mona see country. I go put the video for now. Una go wash am by una self. Mona see people they sit down for road for there. They go they buy whether they want go buy food. They want go buy food. Make they come put for tray. My people, me I never see this kind of thing before. Since I dey here, me I never see say train they say fuel finish for each side. People can't come down. They will come they wait or make the fuel, make the train just stop. They will come they push am. Now only our country, then they see that kind of thing. They know they see am for another place. Only that country now you go see different things. They say it go better oh. We dey wait since 1960 Nigeria now get independent. Now we still dating tomorrow. It go better. It go better. My parents come old. It go better. Me don't they old they go. It go better. My children come old. Which time want to come better now, my people? Which time? When many countries where they for this Europe, they don't get money rich like our country. Behind. It no good make person get bad leaders. If you get bad leaders for your country, you are on your own. You go suffer. You go buy. What it concern you? They say go better. You go they wait. Maybe when the country don't reach 100 and something years, 200 years, now go take better. But now say the country go better, my people. Now waste of time. Now just to tell people make they not cry again. People don't know where everything they go. A whole country, train stop. They want go back for a come. Hi, train go stop. They push on. You go see people they go they push on. Like I said, then they push car. Now only that country now you foresee everything. You know they happen for abroad. How Oyibo people will take respect people who come from the country. The truth of the matter, how they want to respect them. Because they'll come see the country be like nyama nyama. So people will see come from them, they will see be like nyama nyama. Now so they do all. Because like say the country where we for come, say they important. They go, they still they look us, yeah. All these people, they very important. Because of our bad leader way we get. They look us like, say, wait till they know they use again. My brothers and sisters. When I see this something, I know why me I cry. Now I begin to laugh because I don't feel come cry. If I come they cry now, they'll come they ask me, say, wait till they beat you. I send out the video where I say, now I begin to laugh the country. I don't know as I'll do again. I begin come they laugh. Sometimes I'll see some video about our country. I go dey shame. I go dey shame. Because if you see something where nyama, then the eye you go still go dey look the people where they from east side or where come from there. Which kind of country be that one? Bad leaders. The worst part of it, they don't want to live on for you too. They don't want to live on for the young ones. You go see 80 years man. You go still dead. Me, I dey shame to say Buhari na my president. I dey shame. I don't feel talking. I dey shame. Buhari, if they talk, you know they hear. Me, I know they hear. I don't know whether the rest people they hear what they talk. I know they hear if they talk. I know they hear at all. And that kind of person, I go come say that he go a meeting for Europe. What he hear say they talk. You know they hear anything. Anything where they talk for there, they give him paper, he sign, put. You don't even know what they tell him. You don't even know what they talk for there. And that one, now he be president of a whole Nigeria. Hey, it's a shame and disgrace. Not be lie, shame and disgrace. The country, now so it go be. He not go come out for there. All these old cargoes, if they not sweep them, all of the A to Z, just sweep them, come out for road. Make them put young youth where no waiting be what's up. Otherwise, the country, hey, 300 years time, it go come worst. It go the worst because all those people, their brain, you know, they function again. Now the truth, when you don't the old, your brain, everything go the old for your body, go the old. Especially Buhari where just say I be president. If you just they talk to them, you go they talk about something where the time where they young, not before too. Now the brain, because the brain go call the work go back, because it don't the old. What it happen today, you know they remember again. You know they remember. So now that one they control the country, my people. May I put the video, make una watch her, make una follow me laugh, because we know fit come they cry. We don't tire. We don't tire. May God not let you know people say, all of una wanna go back to our country. Who go? Who go? Nobody. Say, I just good me, I just buy for you. I know they go. What do you want go do for them? Doctor not there, hospital not there, road not good, water not there, light not there, nothing good do. Your whole country, if you want to go petition, will they hold you? Hey, Jesus is Lord. My people, may I finish for here, because if I say may I continue, it go too long. I don't want to make this video too long. God bless you. Help me to share. May other people may they laugh. Now laugh with they. Because we know if you can't they cry. Because if we can't they cry now, you know they help. So the best thing, may they watch them. May they look them. The only prayer where we they pray, may the country, may them wake up. The youth, may them wake up. All these bad leaders, these bad ones, old ones, may they wipe them, may they sweep them. If they not sweep them, because their brain, you know, they function again. Their brain, not they work again. They need people where they brilliant, people where brain, where they work well. People where young, where know where to be 1 + 1, say na 2. Not be say you go ask old man, say 1 + 1, go tell you say na 10. That kind of person no fit rule the country. Now the truth of the matter. Have a nice day. God bless you all. Bye. Wanna watch the video.
So in case you want to buy a train, a personal train that you'll be using, this is how to refuel a train. As you can see, they are refueling a Nigerian train that stopped in the middle of nowhere. So in case you buy a private train, this is how you refuel.
Gba nọ́mbà náà láti ó gbà ibi ó gbà yẹn straight down ló fún adé ìgbà yìí.
这2桶也不够啊。不行，管不住。
What? Gba nọ́mbà náà láti ó gbà ibi ó gbà yẹn straight down ló fún adé ìgbà yìí.
这2桶也不够啊。不行，管不住。